Now, of course, right now within the United States, there is a question of whether the U.S. will raise its debt limit. And if it doesn't raise its debt limit, uh, yeah, its debt ceiling, that would cause the U.S. to, or could in principle cause the U.S. to default on some of its obligations. That would be extremely bad for the use of the U.S. dollar as a reserve currency. But if the U.S. did default on its debts, that would have a huge impact on the international financial system, and I think would sharply reduce the role of the U.S. dollar in as a reserve currency and for financial transactions. The Republican and Democratic parties have been using the debt ceiling as a focal point for their conflict. I think it's destructive and counterproductive. I think there are options that the government has, but it is, I think it is unfortunate. Yeah, investors are nervous about these banks. So it's no surprise that investors are less enthusiastic about buying stock. And some investors who have stock are selling it. So all these banks that are sort of similar, that have similar portfolios, similar size, they've all been under pressure.